Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to add background music on Bigo Live. So if you also want to add background music on Bigo Live, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Bigo Live application. You can see over here, Bigo Live has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now at bottom, you'll be able to find several options over here. At center, you'll be able to find the live button. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Select the type of live that you want to start. After that, simply tap on the option Go Live. Now you can see over here the live has been started. At bottom you'll be able to find several options over here. Here you'll also be able to find the option for 3 lines. All you have to do is tap on it. After that you'll be able to see all the tools. You can see several tools over here. Now what you have to do is find the option for music. Tap on it. Now you can see over here your playlist will be opened. All you have to do is tap on the song that you want to add. After that song will be added. You can also adjust the volume over here. Simply tap on the volume icon that you can see right over here. After that you'll be able to adjust the volume according to your choice. So that is how you add background music on Bigo Live. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.